adventure yet again because this game is just really, really fun. Alright, I'm pretty sure it's good enough. Come on. Come on. Okay. The little hunter slime up there. Everything's kind of... And we're back. Nice. Hello, and we're over in slime science area. I've just been collecting some work, doing some farm work around the ranch without you guys because I'm kind of worried. But, I'm just doing some of it on this camera. And we're over near the slime science. We have some more floors here, and I have been getting a few, trying to get some pumps and such built so that we can put them around and get resources to actually make something fun with slime science. Yeah. So let's go ahead and go back through into the caves. Alright. Here you guys go. Open. Be happy. And lots of fun. These guys are carrots lately. But why not give them and I don't really have to worry about so kind of although I don't really have to worry about this. Those guys still have carrots. Although, over here. Let's go ahead and give these guys heartbeats because they're always needing a little bit more food. And damn it, do not go out there. There is light out there. Dangerous for me. I'm literally swimming up right now. I don't care about these guys, but I don't want to go get something killed. Don't get yourself killed. Stay here. It's safe in here. Damn it. Oh, oh dear, I'm really crying right now. I actually care about them. Because those are tiny little digital slime. I still care about them. Oh dear. Okay. Yeah. I'm really worried. Because they always try to not do it. They literally will just dive into the sunlight. Yeah, that's... Yeah, that's... Probably that. Death by something. I guess that people in there like allergic. But I don't know if there's anything that balloon, but perhaps there is. Perhaps there has been. But these guys definitely died. I'll just say something. They're tiny little little safe. Hello, buddy. Come down here. Safe. Yeah, I still have. Alright, let's go ahead and use the code. And welcome to the. Except there are some cats that will. So, but no, don't worry though. Just like because I have so many different rocks in my rock too many. I really want to try and find what this is yet, which I know I can watch tutorials or something, but I want to try to find something. But I'm pretty sure they hang out somewhere near the internet forest, so we might need this. There's their little I mean, I guess I honestly just stop. Let's get some. They're my little and his little pets, which I have some other they kind of keep the head down so that my game doesn't bite too much. I learned the hard way that you don't want to have too many heads. I still kind of want to get all this stuff. What I could give you? Okay, well, let's go ahead and go for Atomic Bomb Center. Hello! The Atomic Bomb Meadow. Where are these guys? I'm glad to say silly. don't know what the plural for slime is. Slime. That's the plural for slime. What? Guys, let's go ahead and try to over the top. Everyone should laugh. Except for you, Henry. You gotta leave. Do not chill out under the tree. I'm gonna put some more. I kind of all that. Yeah, I know spawn, but I kind of you guys are gonna fall into the slide. Yes, I know it's a potato that's gonna fall into the slide. But it's safe. Oh! You won't turn it to top. Plus, I need you to stay here. You guys are stay. Ow. I'm not safe. You guys are. I never said I was. Here. I'll look at this class. All free-range slimes I keep are dangerous. I have rock water, I have the rock water that I keep. I have the oh dear. They refill your screen, so here. So I'll come back in a little bit. Hey! What? Pretty sure I just do. Well, oh well. Thank you. That's too good. Let's go ahead and check. There we go. Hello, welcome to the sort of. There are kind of two things running around my world. But you're safer here than you were anywhere else. Because I like I'll do that. For now, let's go actually grab stuff like go ahead and grab some ice cream. Just to make sure that the things are lying on, I need to because I don't want to have to go. Okay. Come on in. About really 6 carrots. Here as well. One more of them. No. Let's find nice to know that that's right now we are harvesting. I hope they just cover it. If they can, they'll start running. Alright. Cover with it. I guess. Well, I guess Alright, and although there is probably more to the harvest, this before we set off for adventure. I guess I'll just put it up. Alright, let's go. Just in case for backup. Okay. So this will be the last one before leaving. Just gonna drop these off. Alright, and let's go try to find the crystal spires. Okay, cool. Check this out. We'll go ahead and empty these out. Just in case as we're going. I don't really think these can be here, so I'm going to let's go ahead and go far one. Oh well. It's not good. I have to try again. Chicken all the big ones I have some hydro turrets. Alright. Ready, set, go! Boom! Indigo quarry. Next. Also go ahead and see what we have over here. Quarries, alright. We might want to find some over there, but other than that, we're just emptying it out. staying here. But if I use some headsets, it can spare a family. Over in the cave. These look like okay. And that's what we want. Okay. Other than the crystal slime, this is what we want. But it looks like it's not hard to do that. And we can always get stuff like this. What we're really searching for is crystals. Chicken! Chicken! Can I take some of these to the phosphor? Here you go, ladies. You can cook. I'm gonna take a quick pit stop back to the cave. These are two little friends that are a little something here. Just because I can. Hi. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. And of course, this board is still here. Be careful. You don't want to go out there. See you later. Hopefully. Oh, she come out here. Gotcha. I found it. Yes! Oh, it's little cave! That's so amazing! I once came here to collect crystals for a little project of mine. I was trapped in here for nearly 2 days, and these curious crystal slugs came rolling my way and started firing off those dangerous shards. I thought I was going to kick the bucket. Crystals were for a wind chime. I bet Thor still has it. Torch. I think so. Yes! Crystal slime! I am so happy right now. What are they? What are they? They look like puzzles. I'm assuming they are. Crystal slime. Do I have nope. Look at him! I'm bringing back quite a few of these guys. There you guys go. Amazing. By the way. Oh my gosh. And I came in one way and let's come out the other. What's the other way out? Huh? Wow. It's this beautiful puddle slime place. Oh hey look, I found a treasure pool. Oh damn. Wow. It was right here all along. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the Slimepedia for these guys. Their favorite is the odd believed to be a cousin of the rockstar. Crystal slime is covered with cloud of shoots across the crystal slime. These spikes form of the crystal slime has tremendous amount of material and warm the minerals around them are truly alien. The sharp crystals of the crystal slime's trap will cause a great deal of harm if touched. Worse still, the crystal slime routinely creates a large patch of hazardous crystals in the environment. Though to be a unique unexpected internal heat, these crystal patches are ultra hot and can be shattered in flash of water. Though the crystals produced by a crystal slime are highly unstable, a crystal fault like our home is far more pure and can be used by smart scientists to engineer a variety of methods that are completely transparent. This innovation has led to a drop in areas on Earth completely transformed visually, allowing more light dimensions to streams, and the space as a whole a chance to breathe. Architects often describe these transparent metals as so much cooler than normal. Wow. One exploring to discover. What could it be? Interesting. Where? Right when some of you guys back up. I should just leave the feed. I mean, they're all happy here. And I can come by whenever I like to. What are you still doing here, huh, baby? So these parents won't be a bunch of you. I don't know if you sons could enjoy the occasional carrot. There! I mean, I guess I could bring you home. Why not? And I have done it. I have found the crystal slime. And it was right there all along. Alright. Don't forget Oh, there he is. How in the world did you get up here, Ed? Well, one day I'll come back. By the time this is done. Do I have any more questions? One. Time. Oh, that's what I do. Nice. And one day we'll go out on a trip to get all these resources. Oh dear, I forgot these guys. Let's run, let's run, let's run. Can't really run, but they're following me out here. Oh, well, just let me go. Hi! What did you get? You are in danger. Go to the slime stage. Don't worry, they don't die in this. Like we. So, you'll go find a better place. Better place. Ah. Finally, we can also start hiking things. So we did get a lot done in this episode. We found slime. Now, push down. I know. Let's make the rad slimes into the crystal rad. That's awesome. There we go, the most dangerous slime in the universe. Yeah, it's probably the most dangerous one in the universe. Because I'm not going to. Yeah. Well, unless somebody wants to trade. But now we have a new crystal crab. I should probably take a Alright, let's go trade. I love the irony of this game. I love it. A crystal floor. Just as we've actually found the crystal slime. I absolutely just love the irony. Sorry, Victor, but I know. Eddie. This guy. Oh well. He's going to go eat it all by his chickens. And these guys. Oh, goodbye. Go, you little radioactive thingies. Go and fill the world with radiation and then kill everything. Okay, that's not the best way. But, yeah, they should go and find a new home. Nobody's killing beach. And to celebrate our crystal rad barbers, we are going to have this. You can't give them the crystal balls, but there's more rad stuff. So, that one. And there's a big rock somewhere. I put a rock. I know it. There it is. There's the rock. And a beautiful, beautiful day is and how do I take it? Well, I don't really know how to take a swing. I'll have to do it after. But look at this! Already getting these crystal plates. That's nice. And well, we'll really just have to move on. Collecting all making sure these guys don't have anything off. Here. Undangered them. And now they're gonna eat it. Yep, that's enough for today. So, guys, see you next time. Crazy, crazy world of slime.